Chico. It's okay. It's just Mikey. Yeah. 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 You just resting your head in my hand. Hmm? You love being scratched, don't you, Chico? Yeah. I know. I know. Hmm. Hmm. He's a good, pretty bird. Yeah. I know. Hold your head there. So cute. I know. That's my good birdie. Yeah. That's my good birdie Chico. Huh? Yeah. We're in my garage again. And this is Chico. Chico or Chica? Again, not too sure. Male or female. Think she's a female. No chirp. Doesn't sing much. Just chirps. She can be a bit frisky. Her bites do not hurt at all. We've had her for a few months. And we had Mikey, our gray cockatiel, for a few weeks. That's who she can hear over there. And the cage that's over there is not neither of their cages. It's just an extra cage I had laying around. Actually, we had it for our old budgie. So right now, Mikey is just standing on top of it.